So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Hostinger web hosting. So the first thing you want to do is go to this hostinger.com. Once you've gone to there, you can log into your account, which will look something like this. So you can see it through there. You can also go to the left side of the panel and you will see websites, domains, horizons, emails, BPS, billing, marketplace, and stuff like that. So from here, go to website. Once you're here, you can see web hosting, cloud hosting, as well as agency hosting. Make sure that you have selected web hosting. So if you want to rent out or buy web hosting from Hostinger, you can see it looking something like this. So you can see premium web hosting, business web hosting, and you can just scroll down and see all the benefits and the utilities these plans give you. So this one is a bit more expensive, but it really gives you a lot of the features and even more features than the cheaper one gives you. You can also see the reviews from people on here, so you can see many different people from all around the world that are using Hostinger give their own opinions about using this hosting plan, and you can see why do you need it. You can get it through here. So if you just click on one of those, so you select, let's say this one, and you can see premium web hosting, choose a billing period. So you need to choose from here. If you just want to test it out, not lose that much money, choose for a brief period, but it's going to be cheaper on month-to-month basis if you choose something that's a bit longer. So from there, choose a payment method, type in your uh, card information, and from there you will have bought a web hosting plan. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Hostinger or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.